excuse me, so you are all from 1920s, right?
Yeah, today we are seeing.
Okay. So we have many kinds of tea, and many of them are from the 𝙏𝙖𝙞.
And what is this kind of tea that we're drinking?
That is 𝙏𝙖𝙞𝙥𝙚. 𝙏𝙖𝙞 is a kind of black tea. Yeah. The most important export in late 19th century was tea. And then Dadaocheng Wharf here was the most important river port in northern Taiwan. So most of the tea was exported from here, right? So many of the tea merchants, they became trading people and then learned how to do business with foreign countries to do international trade. Yeah. Dadaocheng here represents the modernization era of Taiwan. So the very nature of Dadaocheng's culture is globalization, is international trade, and then exchange with foreign countries. So the culture of Dadaocheng was very open and willing to learn and willing to travel and do everything and to accept the influence from abroad. These are traditional desserts from the area, from Dadaocheng.
Green bean.
Right. Green bean cake. Right.
Okay, pineapple.
Okay. I used the wrong way.
There were 5 kind of traditional business here: tea and fabric, and then food. The fourth is drama, theater.
Yeah, we saw the posters.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Because there were business people here, and then they like to entertain and to so they support a lot of the actors, the drama and theater.
Wow, it's so nice how you're so open, you know, because normally we think that, oh, you want to help the people that are here locally, but actually you're open the door to the world and helping to introduce the culture here and also give everyone a chance to get to know here and start their business as well. It's really amazing.
Right, it's about young people, right? So we welcome all the young people to here to start their new business. Yeah, and I think it's very good that we have a mixture of Taiwanese culture and the culture from everywhere. Yeah, it will help everyone. Yeah, then they help.
I can tell the city is so lively.
That's right. That's right.
Today we had a very traditional, historical day, and I felt like a real local, like Taiwan-ran. And even though I was here for 5 years, today I did things that I never tried in Taiwan, and I didn't even know about some of them. And Stephanie said that she prepared something special for our breakfast. And I mean, what can be special about breakfast? But we went to the market and we saw a huge line of people at like 8 a.m. But when we tried it, oh my God, I couldn't stop eating. It was so good. The chicken, the rice, the mushrooms, everything. I think that maybe was the best rice I tried in Taiwan. Yeah, so we got really full and we started exploring the streets, and we found this store with Taiwanese classical dresses. When I put it on, I felt like some Taiwanese princess. I felt like so classy, and my head went up and my shoulders were back. I'm like, oh my God, I want to buy this dress. I want to wear it every day. And we had this photo shoot with a professional photographer. I already saw some pictures there, super cool. I really want to get them soon to post them. And we continued walking around the street, and we found 2 Taiwanese medicine stores. And when Stephanie said that we will go to Taiwanese medicine, I was kind of afraid because many times I saw my friends trying the Taiwanese medicine, like the powder, when they're sick, and they're like always trying to eat it and they don't like it. So I was afraid that we're gonna do the same. But when we came to the first store, the boss, he served us some desserts, which were like black color and like this. So I was like, okay, maybe it's not gonna be tasty. It's medicine, it's dessert, but it's still medicine. So we started eating it. It was really good. And he said that it's good for your skin and for your digestion. So it's twice nice. It's a nice dessert and also good for your health. This store, they're famous for their plum juice. So the guy who works there, he offered us to try it. And we tried, and it's really good. And it's like low in calories. It's healthy, also good for your digestion. And I was so surprised because everyone is really nice to you. And everyone gives you even more than you ask for.
Interested into the business industry, and I'm very honored to meet a very impressive person today, which is Mr. Chu. He renovated the old houses in Dadaocheng into like new coffee shop, and it's really modern. He made me realize that sometimes don't think at old things as like stubborn and just ignore it and think it can never be changed. Old things can bring in new things. The combination of old and new can bring like flames and into a better result. So that gave me many ideas about the business I want to do in my future. My favorite part of today is to wear 𝙏𝙖𝙞𝙥𝙚 and walk around Dadaocheng. It feels really special that kind of like I went back to 100 years ago and experienced the whole town. And the town is really cool because it has the old fashion history combined with modern technology, new stuff. And I've never been to any place like this that is both like old but new, you know what I'm saying? And it doesn't feel weird at all being the only people wearing 𝙏𝙖𝙞𝙥𝙚 on the road. Actually, all the Taiwanese think we're so pretty and want to take picture with us. So I felt really happy. And thank you Taiwan Plus for introducing me to this unique town, Dadaocheng, and let me spend a very happy day there.
Wow, like I didn't know that like the first day was already such a big day and it was already so mind-blowing, and today was still like so mind-blowing as well. And it even went to another level, you know. I was able to cross one thing out of my dream list. I'm always so happy to be able to share things with other people and to grow together. So we're just so overwhelmed by their passion and everything, you know. Like, I bet these girls will always remember this trip, you know, for sure. I really want to thank Taiwan Plus for this opportunity to make this happen. Because I've been in Taiwan for a very long time, and I grew up here, and I don't know, I think I've always wanted to show that, you know, even though I may not look Taiwanese, but this is my home. And I also want my family to be proud of me, to know that I love this land too. So being able to wear the 𝙏𝙖𝙞𝙥𝙚 was a very I just want to say thank you so much, Taiwan Plus, for making my dream come true.